let me show you a good solution to mount your Echo Dot third generation right in the outlet, right in the wall. How you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT blockchain hard fork, and today we got this cool little device, pretty simple, where we're going to be mounting the Alexa Dot third generation. So let's take a look at the outlet mount Echo Dot third generation. It's a simple way to mount your Echo around the wall. In our case, we have it around the kitchen. So we see it's a plastic device, pretty simple. It will hide the transformer, and we see it, we mount it, we'll hold it. Mine has been holding the kitchen with no problem. The idea is you have the transformer, the original transformer, we're going to be inserted from the back, and that's what you're going to be plugging around the wall. And now, in the instructions show you how to do it. In my case, I just went around, and you're supposed to go all around those lines there and try to hide it, all the cable all around. You can just follow the instruction once again. In my case, I don't like to read too much instructions, so just figure it out myself by going all around, and I show you what it looked like in the end. All right, so we got it almost there. You see, you make sure you press all the cables all the way down, so that way it's pretty flat, and that's it. And if we can show you there, and even show you in the boxes the way you're supposed to do it. So now, since it's all flat, we're gonna shoot the cable through there. We're gonna plug the Alexa. I'll show you in a picture in the end what it looks like. I mean, you can put this all around the house. In that case, we have it in the kitchen, and that's it. Keep it there, and it's nice and flat. Hey, okay, we're done. Now the question is, what will look this in the wall? So I'll show you in a second. See, that's we plug it around the outlet, and let me show you the picture now. All right, we got it. That's the way it looks in the kitchen.